What's up guys, Lady Lux here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be picking this beautiful little baby Squire lock that I got from Amazon. Now, I've been wanting to pick a Squire for a while now. I've been watching all kind of videos of everybody picking one and I've been like super jealous. So I went out and got one. This is only a $20 one though. I didn't want to get that big Squire lock. It was very expensive and I wasn't sure how it would pick, and you guys know that when you spend so much money on lock and it ends up being a little too easy for you or whatever, it's like a big disappointment and a waste of money. I didn't want to do that, so I went and bought the baby one instead. This one was only 20 bucks on Amazon. It's non-gettable, so we can't look inside, but I think there's spool pins in here if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, we're going to check it out, see how it picks. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video if you want to get one of these little babies for yourself. Let's get right into it. Okay, here it is. This is the Squire. It is rated 4 out of 10 for security. It's rust proof. You know, can be used on all this stuff here. And yeah, double locking 6mm stainless steel shackle, all weather body cover, solid brass lock body, and pin tumbler cylinder. All right, so that is the Squire ATL425. So let's get to picking. You got to move this. It's good for weatherproofing, but it's annoying if you're trying to pick it. And I think I need a number 1 for this one for tensioning. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the small end here. I might be able to get away with the number 2. Let's try number 2. You want it to be as tight as possible, right? So yeah, that number 2 fits way, way better. So I'm just going to hold it in hand while I pick it. And I'm going to try out this pick right here. This is profile number 1. I think this will work. Let's give it a go. I remember picking this one on Locksport Weekly while I was chatting. It did give me a little bit of a hard time, so I don't know what's inside of this one. I think there's spool pins, but it could be serrated. Oh, well, all right. That was very anticlimactic, wasn't it? Okay, and yeah, it's not guttable. Here's the bitting of the key. That was really disappointing for $20. Holy shit. Alright guys, thank you for hanging out with me while I pick this one. Leave it down in the comment section if you think I should spring for the next one. I'm not really sure yet. This was a fun one, but I'm not quite sure how I feel about putting out all that money on the bigger one, you know. So yeah, leave it in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. And also, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video. And if you do watch my channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit that 10,000 subscriber mark. And yeah, a lot of people that watch aren't subscribed. So just hit that button and help me out. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.